Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. In this following video, I will be showing you how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.mechanicsbank.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, on the other page, you will be directed into official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, you can see there is sign in option. So then tap on it. Once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, and from the drop down menu, you'll have to tap on register, which is in the bottom left corner. On the other page, you will be directed into instruction page. So over here you have all the instructions, so you can go through it. Just a reminder, in order to sign up into your online banking account, first of all, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to sign up into your online banking account. So in order to sign up into your online banking account, on this following page, scroll down right to the bottom. You can see under statement there are 3 different options. So from here you'll have to select your account type. Once you select your account type, next the page expands, and over here you have all the instructions on how to sign up into your account, so you can go through it as well. And once you've gone through it, slightly scroll down and then tap on register for personal online banking in the bottom left corner. On the other page, you'll have to verify yourself, so for that you'll have to tap on I am human. After you're done verifying, on the other page you will land inside sign up interface. Once you're done verifying, on the other page you will land inside sign up interface. You can see that you'll have to enter all your bank details. First of all, you'll have to create a login information, so for that you'll have to create a username and password. So make sure to create a strong password and then retype it once again in order to confirm. And after you're done creating your login information, next you'll have to enter your personal information, that is your first name, last name, date of birth and social security number. So all of the information that is asked to provide over here, you'll have to enter it correctly, which means that you'll have to provide the exact information that is on your bank account. So after you're done providing your personal information, next you'll have to move on with contact information. Similarly, over here as well, you'll have to provide the correct information that is on your bank account. And after you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again, and then you'll have to accept the terms and conditions. So for that, you'll have to tap on the box which is in the bottom left corner. And after you're done entering all your information, tap on complete sign up in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on complete sign up, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. In case if you are having trouble signing up into your account, so you can see that right at the bottom there are contact information, so you can tap on any one of these following options. So if you contact on any one of these following, on the other page you will be provided with the solution. And that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.